So we're here on top now with Mr. Smith. We are here at Moiser Platillo Trail. There's a sun, but it's windy. It's windy. I mean the wind. This just keep blowing my hair. Oh, the dog stays there. There is a lost dog. Oh, they're getting dry, sweetheart. But see, no more. Oh, it's windy here. It's more windy here. It's more windy here. Hi.